Using Vocabulary Builder in LAMP. Vocabulary Builder is a tool used to create a list of words to teach. It is recommended to be used only for a short time to teach new vocabulary, such as during a therapy session. After the session, full access to the vocabulary should be restored. To get started with this tool, open the app and select Menu. Select Vocab Builder. Enable the On/Off button at the top left. Tap in the search field to open the keyboard. Type a word you want to teach in the search window. Select the word you want from the list or tap Search on the keyboard. Tap the keyboard /down arrow on the bottom right of the keyboard pop-up to hide the search keyboard. You can display the keyboard or word finder button while Vocabulary Builder is turned on by enabling keyboard or word finder in the menu on the left. Select Done to return to the vocabulary. Managing Vocabulary Builder lists. At any time, a list can be saved, loaded, or shared. From the app, select Menu. Then Vocab Builder. To save a list, select Save on left. Give the list a name in the Exported Text field at the bottom of the pop-up screen. Then, select Save on the top right. To load a list, select Load. Then, select the preferred list to load from the Files menu. Make sure Vocabulary Builder is toggled on to load vocabulary. To share a list, select Share to share the currently loaded list. Then, select the method to share or back up the file. Finally, select Done to return to the vocabulary. To turn off Vocabulary Builder, select Menu. Vocabulary Builder. Then, toggle the on/off switch on the left so it's gray. If your student is using LAMP with Vocabulary Builder turned on, when you add a new word to the system, you will also need to add it to the Vocabulary Builder list.